Do you know what tomatillos are? Tomatillo? Tomatillo? Well, if not, it's this beautiful little nugget of greenness. So if you've ever gone to a taco shop and they say salsa verde, salsa rojo, salsa verde means green and rojo means red. And I always take the verde, the green. It's all about the tomatillos. Look at the size of these things. They're almost the biggest tomatillos I've ever seen, but they're a little more on the firm side. They're not super firm, but if you have tomatillos that are firm at all, I recommend throwing them in some boiling water for just a few minutes, soften them up. All right, peel these guys. Just peel all this crap off. Wash them off. Ingredients, just 5 tomatillos, purple onion, ooh, garlic, you know you love that, Poblano Pepper, and avocado, nice. Grab those tomatillos from the boiling water. They were in there probably 5 minutes, probably should have just done 3. I like them a little more green. That's okay, next time we'll do them for 3 minutes instead of 5, and we're just gonna cube them up. They're gonna get blended later, so get them ready for the simmer pot. Beyond grateful to have this quality olive oil. My buddy Gellert Hart runs a biodynamic farm, mainly a winery, but they do olive oil and apple cider too. What is biodynamic farming, you ask? Well, let me tell you. Here we go.
Wikipedia says biodynamic agriculture is a form of alternative agriculture very similar to organic farming, but it includes various esoteric concepts, trippy concepts. For instance, putting dung in a cow horn and burying it on a special moon cycle so it can cosmically charge the fertilizer. Pretty cool. And it was the first of the organic agriculture movements. Pretty crazy. It treats soil fertility, plant growth, and livestock care as ecologically interrelated tasks. Which they are, so might as well treat them that way, right?
Chopping up the poblano, purple onion, garlic. You don't have to be precise, it's gonna get blended up. Look how pretty that is. Got the tomatillos simmering over there. Smash those mutters up. Throw everything else in another pan. Olive oil, that good Gellert Hart biodynamic goodness. Stir it, stir it, stir it. You can cook it for however long you want. I'm gonna season it slightly with some salt and that Tajin. Just chili peppers and dehydrated lime juice, so it's dehydrated. Oh, look how good that is. Get that Tajin on there, all bubbling, simmering, the skins. Ooh, a little crispy, not too done, both perfect, and just got to get a close-up of that avocado. And mango if you want. We didn't throw it in that time, but hey, if you want it. And everything goes in the blender. Avocado, sha 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 sha. It doesn't matter, see it steaming. Blenders can take heat, no worries. And we're gonna blitz it. Not for too long. You can do it for long if you like it really whipped, but I like a little chunk. I like little pieces of stuff I can chew on while I'm dipping my chips, or when I throw it on everything. You can throw this stuff on literally everything. Look at that beauty. Beauty. Look at that. So let's give this stuff a taste. So good. I could almost eat this like a soup, just straight up. Tomatillo soup. I'm actually gonna throw a little more Tajin on here and a little more salt, so you can always add more seasoning, but never take away. Steamy.